What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Donovan Spear again. No BS channel, affiliate marketing. I teach you guys for free right here on my channel, guys. As you can see right here, look at all these playlists right here. Here's my $25. This is a free course, guys. You don't have to pay a single thing. All you have to do is go day by day, okay? And I'm starting fresh right here, okay? That was yesterday's video, okay? And this one's going to go right here. And all you have to do is go just like this. Go day by day, step by step. I lay everything out in sequence. Do this first, click this, click that, okay? And we're on video 2 of this new series. And this series is just a revamp of this $25 series right here. This whole series, okay? So if you're ambitious and want to jump ahead, you're more than welcome. This new series is about 90% of the same shit that is on the other one, okay? I'm just revamping some new stuff for this year. Everything else works. I mean, this framework works, okay? This is a blueprint, and it'll teach you how to make money online, okay? So for all the newbies out there, if you're just landing on whichever video you're landing on the second one of this series, go back and watch the first video and go day by day. Or you can knock them all out if you got time in one day. It's up to you. Do it at your own pace, okay? So with that being said, if you like this video, make sure you hit like, go ahead and subscribe, and hit the bell notification, because I will be dropping videos frequently. Now, as for the last video where I said I was making a Facebook group, here's the Facebook group, guys, and you can go right below this video, okay? And it'll be in the description how to join the free Facebook group, and that'll give you access to me where we can communicate. You know, I know some gurus charge, you know, for one-on-ones like $300 for 30 minutes and all this stuff. Just join the free Facebook group. I'm in there, okay? I think that's the easiest way to communicate, is create a hub for all your people to come and trade ideas and ask questions and grow. So that's what I did. I created that. That's right below the video. And let's get into it, guys. So I got 360 payable right now. I almost got 20 grand with this $25 product, and I got 420 pending. That should grow. It's still kind of early. $20 already. It's 9:40 a.m. So that's pretty good for today, guys. And like I said, this is residual income. This comes in each and every month after you've made the sale, because it's a subscription base. That's why this is so powerful for passive income. So, you know, this $25 business. And to get started, just like everything, all the other resources you guys need to find, right in the description, right below the video. It'll say click here to get started. It'll take you to this page right here. Make sure you watch this video, guys. It's important, tells you a little bit about the business, okay? So, and then as we went over yesterday, as I told you, just 2 sales of the $25 get you in profit. Because you get 80% commissions, and you're paying $25 a month. So if you make a sale to another person that pays $25, you get 80%. So you get $20. They give you $20 for promoting their $25 product. So yeah, this is a real lucrative business. Okay, and like I said yesterday, you don't need any products. You don't have to worry about delivery. Nothing. Okay, this $25 product is a funnel builder, guys, and you're gonna need that for your affiliate marketing business. And I'm going to show you the funnel builder right now. After I show you how to how to sign up, okay? So you go all the way down this page. Of course, read it so you're familiar with everything. Like I explained yesterday, they feed starving children. To date, they have provided over 250,000 almost meals of starving children around the world. What's up? That's awesome. Feeds them for the entire day. Each customer generates up to 24 meals. Boom. That's awesome. All right, so we go down. I got sidetracked right there. So you go down. Yes, I want access for $25. And I love this product, guys. I'm glad I was introduced to this product. $25 for a funnel builder. If you go over to ClickFunnels, they're like $100 per month, and they have limited funnels. This is $25, and you can create unlimited funnels for anything. Okay, so you hit that, and fill all this out, of course, just like you'd make any other purchase in your life. This is a free 2 weeks for the premium. I highly suggest you get this just to know what you're missing out on. If you're like, I just want to pay the $25 for the funnel builder, I don't know if I want to, continue with $125 on top of that per month. And what this premium gives you guys, see that the all-in-one business is $25, boom. And then they offer you this on top of the $25, a $125 for the premium. And that allows you over here, I will show you what the premium is. So the premium is right here. HBA premium traffic and conversions. Guys, they go over everything right in here, okay? So they go over pre-traffic, target marketing, lead magnets, all these free traffics, Facebook Live mastery, short form video, which I'm going to go over this video because I know people are visual learners, so YouTube's the best platform. I'll show you just like I am now. Click here, do this, click that, put this. It's just reading is cool and learning, but when you see someone do it and then emulate them, it's a much easier process, in my opinion. So, it's got all this. I love it. It's got this Emerson content machine, okay? That's AI. So you can be like, hey, write me a converting email about making money online. Check it out. Write me a poem about making money online. So you can use this to create your emails, which we're going to be going over in a later video. Write me a poem about making money. Go Emerson. Emerson is going to conjure up a nice poem that's got fire bars. You know what I mean? Because Emerson's a G. Money makes the world go around, wheels spinning, racings abound. Dollars, cents, and pounds all grow, making paychecks, ebbs, and flow. Bars. But anyway, you get the point. So you could create that emails and then kind of revise as you want. Saves a whole bunch of time when you're writing emails. But it's got that. They got masterminds 3 times a week. 3 times a day. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. This community is awesome. Okay, guys? So, when you get started, what I would do, what I did, what I didn't do. When I first started, I didn't do this, and then I went back to it, which I should have done it initially. So, learn from my mistake. Get this free 2 weeks. See how you like it. If you don't like it, don't pay for it. But I highly suggest it. So, anyway, just hit that and then complete the order. Now you're all set, and you're ready to set up your funnels and everything. Here's the funnel builder that's $25, guys, that you're going to need. So you're going to log in. They send you emails after you make your purchase of this login, your main login. It's a real easy process. Check your emails. And then you hop right in here. Now, this is awesome. You can create as many funnels as you'd like. So if you already have initial businesses that you've created and you need a new funnel builder, or you want to use this solely for a business. So But here's mine, guys, and I'm sure you've seen this when you've clicked on my link, okay? And here's your funnels, okay? It's got cells up here if you are a store. I'm not a store, so it doesn't. This isn't hooked up. You know, it just shows the visitors. But if you have a store, you can do that. You can get membership. Like, watch this. I can add a step. So you want to add a page to my funnel. Look at all these are pre-made, so you don't have to conjure something up from scratch. This is the beauty of it. Everything's drag and drop. Click, drag. Click in here, change the text, change the color, click, click. It's simple, okay, guys? But that's all you do. You can click which one you got. We're going to start you guys off of, this is how I started and still use to this day. Give me 1 second. It's over here. It's hiding from me on the left somewhere. Is it this one? I think they changed the name of it. Did they? Here it is. Here it is. My bad, guys. I'm pretty sure this is it. If my computer will load. Yeah, right here. I still got that in one of my phones. That's what we're going to start you off with, guys, okay? So, we'll go over here. My bad, guys. My computer's kind of slow right now. I moved it upstairs, so the Wi-Fi is kind of hard to connect up here. But you get the point. I'm going to go over how to set all this up for you guys. But it's going to look like this. We're going to get you all the way together on the next one, okay? So when people come, when they click your link, okay, and enter their first and their best email and all that, it's going to go to contacts and be automatically put in there, okay? And then we're going to connect a autoresponder to it, okay? Get response. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So when they click email and they opt into your page, okay, they're going to be put into an autoresponder and get response, which I'm going to show you how to hook up, okay? Get response is free up to a certain amount of people you get in. I think it's 1,000. So, but when people opt into your email, guys, okay, I got shit everywhere, right here. But when they opt into your email, like I just showed you, it's gonna go over to get response, and you're already gonna have emails, which I'm gonna give to you, already implemented in there. So when someone opts in, it sends them automatic messages, and you can set which time. We're going to do one each day, and we're going to have about 20 of them. So, boom. They're already going to be pre-done. So when someone opts in, it automatically sends them for the 20 days, or 30, or however much we're going to do. I'm going to set it up for you guys. But that makes it easier on everybody. You want this as automated as you can get it, hands off. It's gonna be work, but I'm gonna make it as easy as possible for you guys. Okay. So after we get that done, so you're gonna need the $25 funnel builder. You're gonna need to sign up for Get Response and join my Facebook group. Those are the three. That's your homework for today, and then tomorrow we're going to be setting up. We're going to be setting up this right here, guys. We're going to be setting up your funnel. I mean, if you want to, you can go ahead and read all this on how to set it up and do everything. Okay. Here's the first things you need to do. After you do that, after you sign up for my Facebook group, this funnel builder, and Get Response, go right here. Ignore the funnel builder for right now, and all this. Go to the affiliate zone right here. Okay. Now read that. This is very important. Okay, you're gonna want to, after you sign up, you're gonna get emails and all that stuff. Right here, sign up for the affiliate program right here, and then log into your HBA affiliate area, which is SamCart. That's this over here, guys. This is, you don't have to pay for SamCart with this product. It's given to you for free. I know some people had worries about that, like, oh, don't you have to pay? Not with this company. So right over here, guys. Okay, this is where your link. This is your dashboard. This is how you're going to get paid. Okay, you're going to be promoting these links, and which I'm going to show you how to do. But that's what you need to do at first. You need to sign up for this funnel builder, and then get everything squared away. Okay, then we're going to get you all the way together tomorrow. We're going to be using this product as well to send our emails, which I've got like 80,000. But anyway, we're going to be going over that tomorrow, okay? So, that's your homework for today. Join the Facebook group, like, subscribe. Please, it helps with the channel. I'm trying to help as many people as I can. Gurus do pay for courses. Sell courses. I'm cool with that. Make your money. I think they do charge a little bit too much. I've seen some for $2,500 and half the shit that they display, like a preview of what it's going to be. I mean, the value is just not there. I give all my stuff's on YouTube for free, so all you have to do is just go, and it's legitimate. So if you want to make money online, do those things. Get ready for tomorrow, and we'll get you squared away. I'll see y'all guys on the next one. I gotta hit this button down here. See you guys.